Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I bring for you cornrows for kids. It's really you're going to like it, and lasting hairstyle for kids, and at the same time it makes them feel good. So this is cornrows, straight cornrows, and this is cornrows and the braids. It's really nice, even this one, but you can see it's really nice. It's not heavy to her head. Even this one, it's really nice. It's not too heavy, and I want to thank you to subscribe my channel. And if it's your first time to find this channel, please click the bell, subscribe. Anytime when I post a video, you're going to get a notification. Like this one, big braids. This is braids. This is braids and cornrows. So it's really easy and makes your baby feel comfortable, and the same thing to feel good, elegant. So look at this big cornrows. So look at this one. This is her hair actually, but it's really nice. It's really nice. I bring for you different hairstyle for cornrows from 1 year up to actually 16 year. You can use this hair, and the same thing, you can look good. Okay guys, from 1 year up to 16, yeah, 13, you can use this hair to feel good, and at the same time you can look so smart. Look at this one. It's really nice and so beautiful. Look at this. You see this one? Even you're 13, 16, even 18, you can use this hair. It's really nice and beautiful. Like this one, it's really nice. You can feel good and you can look elegant. You can look so smart if you decide to use this hairstyle. This is cornrows actually. So don't forget to subscribe, comment and like for more video, for more hairstyle for kids. Actually I share different hairstyle for ladies, natural hair, cornrows, hairstyle for dreads, so natural dreads. But today I bring for you cornrows for kids. Cornrows for kids. It's really nice and so beautiful, and I hope you're going to like the video and watch this video up to end, so that you can find any design, you can find any hairstyle here, you can find hairstyle for your kids, and at the same time she can look good for us. You can look at this. It's really so nice. Okay guys, enjoy the video up to end so that you can find something good for your baby girl.